G'day guys, this is Big T. Now I've got the 90 series up on the hoist today. Now we're going to be doing the Rockarmor fitting instructions. I'm going to go through step by step and just show you how easy it is to fit the Rockarmor BullBar to the 90 series vehicle. Now I've already stripped the front of the vehicle. Now at the front of the chassis you've got these little cones. Now do not forget to take these off, otherwise the winch cradle will not fit over them. They're just simple, they've got a 12mm on the inside. Just remove that and we're ready to go. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to spray with WD-40 the mounting points that we're going to be using. So on the 90 series, I've got the 2 points on the side of the chassis, then I've got 2 points on the bottom of the chassis. Now in your fitting kit, you're going to find 4 18mm fine threads. Now spring flat, they're going to go on the bottom of the chassis. Then you've got 2 14mm or 4 14mm flat spring, and they're going to go on the side of the chassis. So I'm just going to grab the winch cradle now and we're going to mount it up. So I've put all my bolts in now. Billy's put his bolts on his side. Now we're just going to tighten them up. 18mm on the bottom there. Now I've got the winch cradle mounted up. All the bolts are nice and tight. Now if you're going to be mounting a winch on the vehicle, this is the time to do it. Now I've just got the Rockarmor BullBar, just unwrapped it. Now you're going to find the wiring on the inside of the bar. Just disconnect that from there. And we're going to wire this up to our vehicle and then plug it in once it's all ready. Just a little tip on the wiring here. Now I've wired it into the factory lights. Now the yellow wire is the indicator, the white wire is our park light, and the black wire is our negative. Okay, so I've got the winch cradle on. I've just finished my wiring. Now my plug's ready to go. And next step, we're just going to be fitting the BullBar straight onto the cradle. 3 mounting points on each side. Just using the 18mm bolt with a flat washer, and then a flat spring nut on the opposite side. Alright guys, I've got the Rockarmor BullBar out of the workshop on this 90 series. Now we've got the 63mm tube right around, give it that really tough look, extra protection for your vehicle. The Rockarmor BullBar comes standard with your LED fog lights, park lights, indicators. You've got your underbody protection, all comes standard with the Rockarmor BullBar. Now the fitment on this vehicle is roughly 3 to 4 hours. It's a real easy DIY fitment for yourself. The only time you may need a hand is just somebody lifting the BullBar onto the cradle. Otherwise it's a real easy fit and a really nice finish. Now guys, stay tuned, watch more of the Rockarmor videos, and I'll see you guys on the tracks.